Hello and welcome to another coin hunt. We will be hunting through 200 euros of €2 coins to find some nice commemorative coins and low mintage coins. I got 4 rolls in total, 2 from Germany and 2 from the Netherlands. To give you an idea for what we are looking for, we are still stuck, at least on the German coins, on 3 missing coins. Mecklenburg-Vorpommern, Treaty of Rome and Hamburg. All of them mint mark A, and all of them, they have a mintage of 1 million only. Another example would be one of the date runs I'm doing, and that's for Luxembourg. Let's start with roll number 1. And that roll number 1 is from Germany. So let's see what's in there. First roll, first coin is from, surprise, Germany. Then we have first commemorative, Helmut Schmidt smoking the invisible cigarette. And the shiny one is from Germany, 2020. Then Germany, Austria, Germany, France, Germany, then Greece, but it is 2002. Any Greece coin but 2002 I would keep. That's Helmut Schmidt again, still smoking his invisible cigarette. Germany, Germany. Second commemorative from the hunt is Bundesländer series Baden-Württemberg, 2013. Then we have Italy, but it's 2002. Another commemorative 2019, Bundesrat from Germany. Oh, and we continue. Bundesländer series 2017, Rheinland, Pfalz. Also Bundesländer series, obviously. Oh, and this time it is the German Reunification Day, also from Germany. Then we have the common coin from Italy, but 2002. Belgium, Germany, Bundesländer series again from Germany, Brandenburg, Germany, Germany, and Greece, and again 2002. Second roll, second and last roll from Germany. That didn't open well. So second roll, first coin, Austria. This is the EMU coin issued by 16 different countries from 2009, and this version is issued by France. Then Germany, Germany, and I saw something under that one, which is a nice Italian one. The mintage, I think we found it earlier. The mintage was, well, I will put it up in the video notes, of course, what it is, but that's a nice coin. Then the Bundesrat again, 2019, from Germany. Second one from the hunt, Germany, Germany, Germany. Oh, and this is Italy, but it seems 2011 or 14. So I will put it aside to check the mintage for my date run. Then Germany. Berlin, Bundesländer series, and the mint mark here on the bottom is the J for Hamburg. Then, oh, another one. And same mint mark, again Berlin. Next one, Austria. Germany. Germany. Belgium. Germany. Then Bundesländer series. And this is Hessen, Paulus Church in Frankfurt. Germany, Austria, and the few last coins. Germany, Germany. Then in Niedersachsen Bundesländer series. And last one is again City of Berlin, and again mint mark from Hamburg. Third one from the hand. Third roll, and this one is from the Netherlands. So let's see, well, if we compare the finds of the two different rolls, let's see which one you like better. So, here we go. That is third roll and first coin, Germany, France, Spain, Germany, Spain, Spain, Italy, but it's 2002. Then we have France, France, Belgium, Germany, Belgium. That is 31 from Italy, but 2002. Oh, and here's a French one. And it even said on the coin the Bleuet. Well, I will put it in the notes. I will not try to guess and pronounce my French. Then Belgium, Germany. Then we have Finland 2000, and just to be sure I will put it aside if I need it for my date run. Then Germany, 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 Belgium, Germany, Germany, and last one is Germany. So before we start with the last roll, in case you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the bell so that you will not miss any of my future videos. So let's start with the last roll. Again, last roll. This roll is from the Netherlands, hence the NL. So, last roll, first coin. First coin is from Austria. Then Italy, but 2002. France, Germany, 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 Italy, and it is 2002. And then we have Ireland, 2002, and Ireland. Well, this is the first year of mintage for Ireland, so I definitely know I have it and I don't need to save it for my date run. Then Italy is 2002, Germany, and then we have another Finnish one, 2011. So we will put that aside for the date run. Then Spain, Germany, shiny one from France, 2018. Belgium, another Finnish one, 1999. Let's put that aside. Then France, Austria, and the Netherlands, 2001. So for the coins from the Netherlands, I consider keepers any year between 2003 and 2020. Then we have commemorative Rheinland Pfalz again. Second one from the hunt. Then France. That's a nice one. That's from the Netherlands, the 200 Years Kingdom. And you see Willem Alexander in the outer ring, then Beatrix in the inner ring. And so all the monarchs get smaller and smaller. And I think the smallest monarch in the middle is Queen Juliana, I think. Germany, and Ireland, and that is 2008. And I will keep that aside to check for a possible date run. No amazing finds today, but we made progress on our date run for Finland. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. If you found nice coins in your supermarket change, let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video. Happy hunting!